video blog day one, and yeah, so I've just got my team to go out and get some of the sounds, because we're doing like this little audio advert thing where it's just audio, no video, no visual. Yeah, so we've got the logo, we've got obviously the company name, Hyperdrive Sounds, which I think is a great name. We've got a great logo, sound design is hard at work, and yeah, then we've got the sound editor who's waiting for the recordist to get back with the sounds, and he's going to put everything together. We've got some music as well, which is great, very, very good. It's a track I made just as like a little rough background, so yeah, it's coming together quite well considering it's only day one. I think we were kind of lucky with the way that we prepared, but we've got 16 days basically, including weekends, to get this done. Sound designer hard at work. And what sound's this going to be?
Hopefully this will be the blaster.
Nice. So I'm sitting with the editor and currently working on this, which is the advert that we are doing, and it should be great. How long do you reckon it'll take to fully do?
Shouldn't take too long really, we just need to get the right effects
Fair enough.
implemented, so
Sounds
give it
good.
another half hour or so.
Sweet.
Yeah, when I was doing it, I went through everything, cutting out bits that I don't really have. But you can hear bits like occasionally in certain things. I managed to get rid of some of it. At least I don't know.
Diary day 2. Well, it's in the evening now, and I've been kind of just doing the same things as day 1, just kind of finalising stuff. We've got a really nice blaster sound, which Josh has designed. It's like a huge cannon kind of sound, so I hope the game students like that. We're in the middle of making smaller blaster sounds as well. I've just been experimenting on Cubase just to give Josh a few ideas. So yeah, so it's just kind of been working on the artificial sounds today. I'll hopefully show you them after Josh has took a look at them and done some editing on them to see what you can do. So what you just heard then is just an idea that we had for actually making like the music side, by helping Liam out a bit. Liam's working on a track because we had an idea for like an eerie kind of sound, and we thought that would sound really good for like a start menu, but we're not sure yet. Day 7 has just passed. Haven't really done anything over the course of the weekend. I don't know what the other guys have done. But thankfully, I got to go and see the university students, and yeah, we had a good talk and got a couple more specific things. Turns out the blaster noise that me and Josh worked on isn't really what they were looking for, so thankfully we got to meet up with them and got some game footage, and yeah, I'll probably go over the list tomorrow with the guys. I've just gone out with the sound recordists to get a few extra sounds and just to check that they were actually going to get them in today, because I've actually set a deadline for them all, and I want everything in by next Wednesday because we've got 9 days to actually get everything done. So I've had to put my foot down a bit now and be like, okay, look, next Wednesday, everything in, so we've got time to mix and master everything. I've got Liam working on a track at lunch, so that's alright, and then I've got the sound recorders going out, just getting any few extra sounds that they think either would need redoing or just, you know, they just think would be best for the game, and it's just anything extra we can give the clients. As I stated, I've met up with the guys who've produced the game, and we've got a few ideas. They've given me a lot more of an insight to what they want. Josh is working on a blaster noise. Jamie's mastering any of the sounds that we've got. We've got like a compressed air door, which we've made with a Coke bottle, like the kind of noise. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Then we've got, like as I said, we've just got grunts there. We've got footsteps, plenty of them, and yeah. So very stressful day, but I think it should be good by next Wednesday.
Not need this.
I did not need to see your mates meet your veg. And
How'd you cut that like that?
sorry, that's a bit of a
Yeah. I was going to say, what would be cool? I just wanted to try that
W
little.
was not what I meant to
The I don't know how well it'll work because it's only bus power. So it's only powered by the.
Is it just any? Is it just like any old USB thing, or is it?
Okay, so what you saw then was the first 9 kind of edited and finished sounds that we've got for the game, which is great because it means that we're on track. And if I'm honest, most of the sounds could be done by the end of today. Josh has got a few kind of awesome new kind of pistol-y, electronic-y distorted sounds, which sound really good, really convincing. And yeah, it's kind of difficult for him because he can't see the gun, and I haven't got the footage to show the gun to Josh, and I'm probably going to try and sketch it out for him in a minute. But also what you saw in the clip previously was just some extra sounds that we've got, and they're not named professionally yet. We're going to go through a whole renaming stage on Wednesday next week when all the sounds are given in. Finally, Liam's track should be done by the end of today, which is great, and he should be emailing me that on Friday. We're not in on Friday, and we're never in on Thursdays or Mondays, so we've got tomorrow and Friday off. So I'm going to be away from the guys, which is why I've set the deadline for Wednesday, because originally it was going to be for Tuesday, but I felt it'll be easier for us all if we had the whole day Wednesday just to get everything done. And then we've got until the 20th to just kind of finalise everything, and if we don't like something, we'll change it. So, yeah. Literally after making that entry then, I've just been informed that another 5 sounds have been finished, which is incredible, and I hope they sound convincing. We'll go through a playthrough of all the sounds shortly.
Yeah, and I didn't really like I don't really like what it was.
So Josh had to design the electric pistol, and he's came up with this. Making an action plan at the moment for our group. He's just writing it on the board there. So yeah, just getting some smart targets down, and yeah, we only need just 1 track off Liam, and then we're actually done. So it's been a stressful week, but it's been good. Jamie is just finishing off the final bits of mastering and stuff for Josh's sounds and Liam's track. What you just heard then was actually a snippet of Liam's track, and it sounds really good. They're making more, and they're hopefully going to get 2, maybe 1 or 2 more tracks back to us by 3 o'clock, which should be good. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Yes, that is what I've been up to these past 3-4 weeks. Yes, I've been helping developing the sound for a game, and it's been so much fun. I've had so much energy and excitement doing it, and it was a lot of stress, and I was the project manager for it, so it was on my head if anything went wrong. So that's kind of why I haven't been posting on YouTube as much. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep being awesome, and I'll see you all soon.